All right, question 26 on lesson 10 is a little bit tricky because you have to think about the fact that you paid out the $10 for the ticket. So if we think through the process, they tell you that they're only going to sell 100 tickets, and then it gives you an idea about the prizes. So let me kind of walk you through this particular problem. Okay, so first off, let's find the probability of each event. So the probability that you win $500, there's one way to win the ticket out of or win $500 out of the 100 tickets sold. The probability that you win $100, there are two ways to do that out of a total of 100. The probability of winning $25 is 4 out of 100. And then the probability that you don't make anything, that you basically lose, is 93 out of 100. Okay, you have 4, 5, 6, 7 tickets that could be winning out of the 100, so that leaves 93 that would be losing tickets. And so we use a similar approach. We still use the formula for the expected value, which is the x value times the corresponding probability, and we add all those up. But here's kind of the weird piece to it, is that you have to allow for the fact that you spent the $10 to buy the ticket. So even if you won the $500, you paid out $10 initially to buy the ticket. So you have to allot for that, and you have a 1 in 100 chance of winning it. Then for $100, if you win $100, again, you still have to consider the fact that you paid out 10. So you're really only going to make a profit of 90, and there's 2 in 100 ways to do that. Plus the 25, winning the 25, again, you paid out 10 to buy the ticket. You have a 4 in 100 chance. Then 0 minus 10, you basically have lost $10, and there's a 93 out of 100 chance that that is what's going to occur. So if I simplify these just a little bit to make my calculations a little bit easier on the calculator, because I can do it in my head, 500 minus 10 is 490 times a 1 in 100 chance, plus 100 minus 10 is 90 times a 2 in 100 chance, plus 25 minus 10 is 15, and that's a 4 out of 100 chance, plus losing the $10, there's a 93 out of 100 chance. So I'm going over to the calculator, and I'm going to clear it out. So I have 490 times 1 divided by 100 plus 90 times 2 out of 100 plus 15 times 4 out of 100 plus negative 10 times 93 divided by 100. Enter. So the expected loss in this case is $2. On average, you're going to lose $2 in this overall scenario. This value is -2, which does represent money, so it's $2, and that's a loss because it is negative.